We have something truly exciting and special waiting just for you today. It makes your daily life more comfortable and all of your financial transactions smoother and easier. The simplest and most convenient way in the world of digital payment, commonly referred to as Google Pay. We all know that Google is practically the all-knowing wizard of the entire internet universe. Google Pay made the magic even more beautiful. It's like having a secure and permanent virtual wallet always ready to go when you need it. Regardless of your experience level, this instructional video will clearly explain how to successfully set up Google Pay and to purchase goods and transfer money securely through it. Google Pay is a digital wallet and mobile payment service developed by Google. Enable users to conduct smooth and secure transactions with mobile devices, eliminating the need for carrying around cash or using credit cards for transactions. Google Pay was initially launched in 2015 and has since evolved into a highly versatile digital payment platform recognized by many reputable online merchants worldwide. In physical stores, Google Pay is easy to use, a platform where users can make quick and seamless payments easily and securely by simply tapping on their smartphones' screens. The service integrates multiple layers of security, including encryption and authentication methods, to safeguard users' sensitive financial information securely. Google Pay also offers full compatibility with a wide range of various Google services, Gmail and Calendar, making it more convenient for users to manage their personal finances. In addition to its essential primary functions in facilitating secure payment transactions, Google Pay frequently integrates popular rewards programs, points incentives, and exciting promotional offers, significantly enhancing the user experience and providing numerous additional benefits to improve overall satisfaction. Users can also efficiently manage their expenses, splitting bills and enjoying the convenience of a digital wallet that seamlessly adapt to their evolving daily financial needs, while Google Pay is widely accepted by many retailers. Some small business merchants may not support or accept this payment method, which notably reduces its applicability and usefulness in some specific cases. Google Pay also requires a smartphone or another compatible device to function properly. If you lose your device, it gets stolen, or it malfunctions unexpectedly or stops working. This might impact your payment ability. Google Pay similarly relies on a stable internet connection to successfully conduct financial transactions. In regions with weak internet connectivity, this dependency can pose a significant challenge. Some users may be increasingly concerned about the vast amount of personal data that Google collects and stores. While Google Pay is specifically designed with security in mind, users should be aware of the privacy implications associated with using the service. To set up Google Pay, first sign into your Google account using your credentials. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to add your payment methods. You can remove or edit your existing payment method information at any time, or you can add new methods by clicking on the Add by Mail method option available in the payment settings. Now you need to set up Google Pay through the app on your mobile, which is automatically available on most Android devices, and you can download it from Google Pay. After successfully downloading and installing the application, click on the option that says Get a new Google Pay to proceed with the setup and registration process. You need to enter your phone number, and the code will be sent to your number via SMS. You can choose to add yourself to the Google Pay search option so others can find you by name. As illustrated in this example, you can greatly benefit from generous cashback rewards on your purchases. The newly added payment methods will now be visible if you haven't paid through the website before. If you haven't yet added a method, click on the Add Assignment Method button and select the specific payment method you prefer to use from the available options. You can now conveniently add new payment methods to your account. Select Payment Options. If you choose PayPal as your payment method, you will be redirected to the official PayPal site where you will need to log in with your credentials and authenticate your account to complete the transaction. Open the Phone Settings menu, select the Apps list, and then tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Set the default applications and choose the Tap and Pay Payment option. Use Google Pay or GPay. To pay via Google Pay for a product on a website or app, select the item you wish to purchase and then choose Google Pay as your payment method. Select Google Pay, enter your password or PIN, and simply press Verify to proceed. To send money securely, go to the payment interface on your app. Click on the provided link to find people and grant the necessary permission to access your contacts. Invite the person you want to pay, press the Pay button, and enter the amount. Once the recipient approves the payment request, the specified amount will be promptly added to the account balance. Despite Google Pay's widespread acceptance and immense popularity among users, they should be cautious of potential limitations such as dependency on device functions, the constant need for a stable internet connection, and privacy considerations related to the vast amount of data Google collects and processes. As the digital payment landscape continues to evolve, Google Pay remains a significant player, offering a user-friendly solution for modern and contactless transactions.